So this week, we are going to go through delegates, and we are also going to be looking at link queries. These are two huge topics, really important topics in C# object-oriented programming. It is something that you will see on your certification exam. There are questions on both areas. And so we are going to spend some time going through these chapters. And I spent quite a bit of time putting together the lecture demos, which have videos in them and tons of examples for you to look at. As far as the reading assignment goes, you basically need to read the pages in the chapter. You do not need to do the practice exercises because you will be working on an assignment. Although if you have trouble understanding the link queries, even after you complete the assignment, you may want to run through the practice exercise in chapter 21. As I mentioned, I've got two different sections of notes, and there are videos that are embedded that walk you through the notes and explain all of the coding examples. And then we have the lab assignment. And the lab assignment is just going to give you additional practice. So I tried to make it as easy as possible. So I'm for the delegates, I'm actually giving you code that doesn't have delegates. And then you have to add the delegates in. And for the link exercises, I'm basically giving you the data, the classes and the data. And then you basically have to format the queries and display the results. So trying to do as much for you as possible. And these are examples that I did use in the lecture demo. So you can look at the lecture demo and see similar ways that I created queries with these different data sets. And after finishing the chapter, the lecture demo, and the assignment, if you feel like you want to learn more, I did include links to pretty good references here. The tutorials teachers is excellent. They have interactive coding sites where you can, change and kind of play with the code. And they have information on delegates and link queries. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you run into problems, feel free to send me your code. We are almost done covering C#, and we will be moving on to Universal Windows Platform right after spring break.